It can be hard to have your clothes smell good, especially if you're an athlete and you're throwing your new clean clothes in your bag that has your dirty gym socks and dirty shoes. Or you're a businessman or someone who's on vacation traveling with a bag of luggage where your clean clothes are sitting right next to your dirty, sweaty, old clothes. Or if you just are a person at home who cares about what they smell like and what their clothes smell like when they're interacting with others. This can be really hard to keep everything smelling fresh and clean, and so the solution to this is Scentables, which is a little sphere that is um, infused with different pleasing scents. And so you can throw this little ball into your drawer of clothes, into your gym bag, or into a luggage bag, and the scent from the Scentable gets infiltrated and infused into your clothes and keeps them smelling fresh and clean. This product would be widely used and enjoyed by various people, such as mothers who want to smell good themselves and also keep their kids' gym bags smelling nice, businessmen before they go into meetings, keeping their clothes smell clean in their suitcases, and so on. And this would add a lot of value because it helps people smell clean. They're not nervous around other people. They can be confident knowing that their clothes smell good and are fresh. And it also saves people money so they don't have to spend extra money on expensive laundry detergents trying to get their clothes to smell clean, but that in reality won't last that long.